Naghintay for the van. Hey, Robert! This is Robert, guys.
Nas!
Hey! Shout out to Nas, guys.
Alam mo ka na?
Hi!
Ganda ng camera mo.
What's
up, brother?
We're gonna go to our van now.
Alright, van 1, proceed na po tayo sa van natin.
We're going to our van. Say hi, guys! Hey!
Van 2, waiting natin.
Ay, saan na tayo, Ray? Hi, guys!
Makikita niyo yung bahay.
Hey, Ray! Guys!
Dati nakikita ko doon natatawa.
Hi!
What's up, mga pa? What's up, guys?
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
We're here.
Hindi mo ako mahal.
Kakarating lang din.
Okay lang. Sa buong pamilya.
Let's go. And
Ang sarap ng Joy. Kakachiki Joy.
yes, mag-vlog ako.
May pogi na sa camera.
Say hi to the vlog mo. Hi!
Robert!
Skibidi!
Si Ma'am Sheryl.
Sir, say
Pasa mo na lang.
say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Si Sir Nigel.
Ma'am, dali ma'am.
Okay guys, so time check is 7:05 and I am alone guys. Kasama ko mga classmates ko. Yes, we are here at Tagaste Retreat House. Yeah, Tagaste Retreat House guys. Yes. Hindi pa kami nakakapasok. We're gonna take some pictures guys. Hi,
What's up, brother?
Nice. We're at the retreat house. Yeah, nice. We're here in the conference room.
Dapat pala doon na lang yung bag ni Course. Kasi dito yung...
Yeah, it's our conference room. Okay guys, so tapos na po ang aming recollection. Magmimisa po kami in 4 o'clock po. So natutunan ko po is about yung personal development. Tapos po yung mga ways po to develop yourself. Kakalabas lang po namin. Sinurrender ko po yung phone po dahil bawal phone. So, yan guys. Tapos yung mga leadership, yung teamwork po, empathy, yun guys na natutunan ko. So, yan guys, maghintay na lang po kami ng mass bago pa din na kami umuwi. Mga 5 o'clock kami alis dito guys. So, let's go. Guys, pabalik. Okay guys, pabalik na po kami.
Skyranch.
From the reflection.
Skyranch. Skyranch Blue Eyes.
We're going back. Uwian na. So, it was fun guys. Nag-learn kami ng madami. And nag-mas din kami guys. So, very nice. So, sana pa na gusto niyo pa yung video ko. Bye guys, pauwi na po kami. Thank you po for watching. Like my videos and subscribe. Bye!